Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Logical Facts and Quotes. So my today video is very interesting because my today video is related to social science facts. So let's start. World records of Asia. Largest black lake of Asia is Caspian Sea. Longest wall of Asia is Great Wall of China. Longest railway line of Asia is Trans-Siberian Railway. And the deepest lake of Asia is Baikal Lake. And do you know Asia and Europe together is known as Eurasia. And another one is that Africa was called the dark continent because people of other part did not know much about this continent. Therefore Africa was called the dark continent earlier. And the another fact is related to the history that the Indian national calendar, sometimes called the Saka calendar, is the official calendar is used in India. And the another history fact is that the last powerful ruler of Kushan dynasty was Vasudev, and the Naga Arjuna was the famous scholar of chemistry. And the third one is that the temples found in Java and Cambodia tell us about the spread of Indian culture to distant countries in ancient times. Do you know Green Revolution is related to grains, White Revolution is related to milk, Blue Revolution is related to fish, and the Yellow Revolution is related to the oil seeds. And Green Revolution was started in mid-1960s. About Green Revolution. Green Revolution was founded by M.S. Swaminathan. M.S. Swaminathan is known as the father of Green Revolution in India. Green Revolution was begun in India in mid-1960 to increase production of crops. And Punjab was the first state to try the new crops. And the second Green Revolution was started in 2009. Amazing facts of India is that there are more than 1600 languages spoken in India, and there are more than 100 dance forms in India, and every third Indian lives in a city. This is the very interesting fact that the cattle fair held at Pushkar in Rajasthan is one of the most famous fairs in India, and India is divided into 666 districts, and the chairperson of municipal corporation is called the mayor. Municipal corporation is who cooperate the cleanliness of the city. Another is why toll taxes are collected. So toll taxes are collected to recover the cost of newly constructed roads and bridges or towards the maintenance of the existing one. So guys, I hope you love the video, and if you love the video then do not forget to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my new video, and leave your feedback in comment section. Thank you.